And with less than 3 months to the governorship election in Rivers State, tension is gradually building up as suspected hoodlums attack the office of the Social Democratic Party, Nonwa local government area of Rivers State in the early hours of Monday. The governorship candidate of the SDP, Magnus, confirmed the incident at the venue of the secretariat, where he accused the leadership of the PDP of orchestrating the attack under the pretext of enforcing Executive Orders 21 and 22 of the state government. Addressing his supporters, the SDP candidate, however, vowed that he cannot be intimidated by such action.
I am from Ogoni. I went to Obiakpo in Ikwere land peacefully and commissioned the SDP office in Obiakpo local government area. Then people, human beings, will collect money from anybody and say that Senator Magnus cannot come to Ogoni. We have a message for the people. Allow us to deliver our message. If you have your own message, go and deliver your own. No be so? At the end of the day, let us allow the people of Rivers State to choose who they want.
The governorship candidate also called on political leaders in the state to stop sponsoring politically motivated attacks.
If Nigeria and Nigeria's security forces and services cannot secure a single location for a political party to hold its event, how are we going to secure the entire country for elections to hold in this country? The local government chairman came there in person with the thugs, armed with guns and dangerous weapons, and telling people that the activities of another political party undermines his own authority, that he must give permission before SDP can hold an event in his local government. I don't know what section of the constitution that is being applied in this manner. We need to be very, very careful, because this kind of actions, this kind of recklessness, this kind of lawlessness, this kind of primitive approach and attitude to public issues and public events could lead to the truncation of this democracy if we don't all buckle up and rise up to what needs to be done.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.